Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials, where the key file lives and which app will open it. If it's in iCloud, export to a transferable location like Google Drive or download to local storage. Once done, install a Keynote-compatible viewer such as Google Slides or PowerPoint for Android, or set up an APK-only workaround if you must run native Keynote. Make sure your file manager has storage permissions so you can locate and transfer the file between apps. Next, transfer the key file to a place your Android apps can access. Google Drive or the Downloads folder works best. Then try opening it directly with Google Slides or PowerPoint. If the app refuses, convert the key to PPTX using iCloud export or a trusted converter. Once converted, re-upload or save the PPTX to Drive and open with your viewer. Make sure to inspect slide order, fonts, and any embedded media, because conversion can alter layout and objects. To finish, open the converted presentation in your selected Android app and step through each slide, testing animations and media. If video or audio won't play, download the media locally or grant streaming and storage permissions, then relink assets. If formatting still looks off, reconvert the original key with different export settings or open it on a desktop to save as a clean PPTX, then retry. A single key troubleshooting tip. When formatting breaks, reconvert using iCloud export first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.